Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today I thought I'd talk about what a back check valve is on a commercial door closer. Depending on how expensive your door closer is or what type of model, it may or may not include a back check valve, but essentially what a back check valve is it's controlling the speed at which the door opens from about 75 degrees to the 90 degree full open position. You never want to close the valve completely. It can ruin the door closer because essentially the hydraulic fluid needs to flow, and when you close the valve completely, it's not able to flow. And if somebody opens the door and forces it open, it can actually blow out the O-ring seals, because with hydraulics, liquids cannot be compressed. The back check valve is a really good feature to have. In fact, we recommend it to all our customers just because it can save and lengthen the lifespan of your door. One of the most common ways people abuse doors are slamming them open. So, especially on doors with exit devices or crash bars, people see the crash bars, and a lot of them, maybe they're frustrated or whatnot, and they slam the door open or push it way too hard. Well, with the back check valve adjusted properly, once the door gets to about 75 degrees, it will go into almost a cushioned slowdown speed. So this will save your door from slamming. Now, with that being said, this should not be used as a means of a door stop. You should always have either a floor stop, a wall stop, or some form of door stop. However, the back check valve will help prevent your door from slamming against the door stop. As everybody knows, doors are not cheap by any means, so protect your investment, and we would definitely recommend going with the back check feature. With our Commando door closers, all of them come with the back check feature. Just for this reason, we find that doors with the back check door closers last much longer than doors that do not have that feature. And with our Commando too, we just throw that feature in for free essentially. Our prices are very competitive with everyone else. However, we give you all the bells and whistles. For more information on the Commando door closer, if you have any other questions, please contact us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com. Thanks, guys.